We're live in the tech backfield, and today's play is all about shaking off a bad Wi-Fi connection that keeps blitzing your PC. You know that network that drops the ball every time? We're benching it. Here's how we run the offense. You hit the start button in the bottom left, then go straight to that little gear icon, Settings. Want a quick snap? Tap Windows key plus I, and boom, Settings is open. Now you're staring at the playbook. You're heading into Network and Internet. That's your control room for everything Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Click it, then over on the left sideline, you see Wi-Fi. That's your next move. On the right, you've got Manage Known Networks. Click that and you're looking at the full roster of Wi-Fi networks your computer remembers, every stadium you've ever logged into. Find the one that keeps causing trouble or that you just don't use anymore. Click on that name, and its options pop right up. Now here comes the big hit, slam that forget button. Just like that, Windows drops it from the lineup. No more auto-connect, no more surprise fumbles. If you ever want back on that network, you'll have to type the password again, fresh start. Bonus hurry-up offense, from the taskbar, click the Wi-Fi icon, right-click the network, hit forget, and you're done. Clean connections, clean game, now you're surfing like a champion.